Hey guys, welcome back. It's me again, Maya Candle, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to discuss one of the most popular indicators among new traders, among beginners in trading. Well guys, there is so many videos already about this one indicator. A lot of people think that it is the most easiest indicator to understand, and well, this indicator really looks like it's quite simple to predict with this indicator trades and future, but unfortunately a lot of people don't know how to use it properly just because they don't understand how this indicator works. Well, the indicator I'm talking about is ZigZag. Yeah, I think that a lot of traders were starting their careers with these indicators, and I think that lots of them just blew up their accounts just like I did at the beginning of my way in trading. But the truth is that ZigZag doesn't tell you what to do, it just depicts and shows what was in the past. So you can see it, you can analyze it by yourself. Yes, this indicator can make reading the chart quite easier and simpler, but in general you can do it without any indicators. You just don't need this extra line on the screen. So if you just in the very beginning and you just learning how to do it, yeah, then it can work out. But if you're not, then I have questions. Why do you use it? So guys, I remind you that I have my Telegram channel where you can see my everyday lifestyle content, where you can see my trade signals just for free. There I spend more time than on YouTube just because I appear then every single day, not twice a week like on YouTube. So I would be really happy if you right now go in the description for this video, then click on the link and just subscribe to my Telegram channel. See you there. Okay guys, and now let's switch to our bracket option, just see and practice what ZigZag looks like, which settings does it have, and how I set it for different styles of trading. So you see my ordinary chart market here. So you can find ZigZag in your indicators as rule. It is in the left bottom corner. So now you see that this indicator looks like just a lot of triangles. Well, this indicator, of course, like others, has settings. Well, it has in general three different fields: deviation, depth, and backstep. Okay, the deviation is the minimum price in percents or point required to plot a new segment. So higher values more smoothed, large scale swings only. Here, basically we have 5 in this field. Yeah, let's go to the next field. It's called depth. Well, depth is the minimum number of candles between a high and low for a swing to be valid. So higher depth, as ZigZag reacts lower, shows only stronger moves. And backstep is the third and the last field. It shows the number of candles the indicator will ignore between swings to avoid plotting too many points. Helps filter out noise. So guys, despite of my not love to this indicator, I will tell you how you can set ZigZag just to trade in a proper way with this indicator. If you want to trade really quick, fast, then your fields should be deviation from 1 to 3, depth from 3 to 5, and backstep 1 or 2. It's because of the faster reaction to the market, to the changes, to the candles. Yeah, if you want to trade long term, then on the contrary, you should put here more greater numbers, just like we have here with the base settings. Deviation from 5 to 10, depth from 10 to 20, and backstep around 5. If the market is high volatility, due to news events, if you trade with, for example, different meme coins, then deviation should be around 10, depth around 15, and backsteps from 3 to 5, quite close to the long-term trading. And of course, on the contrary, if you trade with low term or medium, and on the contrary, if you trade with low or medium volatility, then all these fields should contain numbers closer to 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So guys, let's switch to practice and see how this indicator works for me. So guys, forgot to change the indicator and prepare it for quick trades. Here I put 2, here I put 5, and here I put 2. 2, 5, 2. Okay. So now I'm ready to show you why I don't like this indicator and why you don't need it. So guys, I'm entering a long position here with $100. We see that we're reaching our level, our support level, by the way, quite strong support level here, and I expect the price go up. But as you see, we don't see a new line of this ZigZag indicator just because it doesn't predict the price. It just shows what has happened in the past. So we can, unfortunately my pocket option is freezing. So I made this decision not according to this indicator. Well, a lot of people use ZigZag to see different patterns, for example, head and shoulders or two bottoms. But as for me, okay, the first income, so congrats. On this example, you can see that the ZigZag is useful only for beginners because they can, without indicator, I'll hide it. It's not so obvious that we're having a support level here. So some of you can just ignore this shadow of this tiny candle and just think that support level is here somewhere, but ZigZag tells you that okay, by the way, going here long. But indicator ZigZag says no, here is the support level. So yeah, if you only start trading, then of course you could miss this opportunity, you could miss this quite strong signal. I'm still waiting for a breakout, but you see that the candle is going in the opposite direction. Okay, so speaking about ZigZag in this situation, well, we see that the ZigZag is following our candle, is following our here, but unfortunately it will change the direction only later, only when everything will be done. Okay guys, I was waiting for a breakout in this position, but unfortunately the price went in the opposite direction. Happened a bounce in this so guys, happened a rebound, a bounce from our support level. It says that it's quite a strong support level. Maybe later we will have, okay, of course later we have a breakout, but not now. Okay, this happened, so just don't be really sad. So I decided to enter a long position here just to see if my theory was right, if I was right here. You see that we have a tiny sideways here, so ZigZag is just waiting for another candles, waiting for a growth or for the price. Okay, you see that just matched this line, drew his line. So guys, when you're looking for a setup to enter position, looking at ZigZag is quite okay guys, plus $384. Well, looking on ZigZag is quite strange because it doesn't give you information in which direction the price will go, just shows the not the even real, just the past of the chart, the past of the market. It's great for backwards analysis when you go back to your tradings, previous tradings, when you for example following your trading diaries, then of course when you see this line, then it will be easier to find your mistakes, maybe to find patterns, just to make some practice. But when you're looking how to enter a good position, how to make some profit, some money, then I don't know why you still using this indicator. Okay, so guys, I've just opened another currency pair. Let's make quick technical analysis using my favorite horizontal lines and levels of support and resistance. So we see that we have here strong support level. Here, I've even here. So guys, adding another few levels just to make the situation more clear. Yeah, I agree that with ZigZag it's quite easier to draw levels, but I can do it by myself. Okay guys, I've been waiting for a new position here for quite a long time. I thought that indicator, that ZigZag, will show me the change of the direction of the market, of the price, but unfortunately it didn't give me this information. So now I think that it's the best time to switch to another currency pair. Okay guys, while I was recording this few minutes, we see a breakout. It happens so often when I'm just speaking to the camera, when I'm explaining something, and just in the background I see that the price is going in the direction I was dreaming about for some for 10 or 20 minutes, and then just so just pay attention that ZigZag has just draw this line just a few seconds ago. We won't get information from ZigZag about positions, about should we enter or not. Just shows the tendency, micro tendencies or global tendencies of the market. So guys, I've earned practically $600 just with one click, just with one trade, but I don't think that ZigZag helped me really, just because I was trading like always according to strong levels, according to just other patterns, not only ZigZag. Okay guys, you just seen that I've entered position when ZigZag draw a new uptrend, a new line in the up direction. So it was just like an additional argument where why I should enter a position, but basically I was trading just off key levels like always, like it's my basic strategy to trade from key levels. Yes, I was waiting for a breakout for a long time, and just ZigZag was like freezing. It was waiting for something, and only when I saw that okay, we have an uptrend, it was like confirmation from ZigZag that okay, the price is changing its direction and it will grow. So it's not as useless as I was talking about it all the video. So okay, sometimes it can give signals. Yeah, quite reasonable signals, by the way. So let's move on and see another position, and on the next example I will tell you even more about this wonderful indicator. So guys, I'm entering a short position here, just in the direction in which ZigZag draws its line. Just to see, can we use ZigZag as the main indicator, as the main reason to make some decisions. Let's see. So you see that it just connects the bottom, the lowest price of this candle. So maybe it will change. Yeah, by the way, it looks like head and shoulders. Yeah, by the way, you see that we've just reached the local heights. See a strong peak here, and of course, just logical that the price will go down. Yeah, by the way, the position is still profitable. I don't think that it's only zigzags required, but my experience and my uh, basic strategy. But it can be useful. I think that this indicator will fit to the main two groups of traders. The first group is beginner. The first group is beginner trading, who only teach to understand the market. And for beginners, I recommend not to use zigzag as the main reason to enter position. Not like generally, zigzag doesn't give you signals to enter, to go short, go long. You can just have a look at the chart, have a look at the market and see, just try to draw levels, try to see patterns. Yeah, it will be really useful for you in the not so long distance, in the not so far future. And the second group of people who can use this indicator with profit are more advanced users who already know how the market fluctuates, in which side the price will go. You can use other indicators like RSI, MACD, Fibonacci, etc. And you use not only this indicator to make the decision to go short or long. So it's just an additional visual tool to see which side the market is changing. So guys, remember that zigzag doesn't use clear signals to enter a position. It just pictures, it just draw you the picture of the past. Okay, it looks quite simple and confident, but this confidence is just an illusion, and the trading illusions are the same as losers. Zigzag is like Photoshop for your chart. It makes the candles and the whole thing looks smoother and prettier. So guys, thank you for attention, thank you for watching this video. I hope that this video was useful and quite interesting for you. See you later in the next videos, and of course please subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel. There is useful information for you guys. See ya!